Every time I'm in the street, I hear.
Before we get started, here's some information you'll be needing for today's tutorial. When separating and screenshotting your OC, make sure that no accessories or any kind of shading is applied onto your character. Make sure that your character is as clean as can be. When separating your body sheet, you separate them into 5 categories: the head, face, hair, upper body, and lower body. The postcode to separate the body in Gacha Life 2 is really long, so I'll be putting it into a Google Doc in the description where you can download it. Now let's get started. Go ahead and open Gacha Life 2 or any other gacha game that you're using. If you want to separate the body in Gacha Life 2, the postcode is in the description. I am so sorry if I sounded quick, I just ran up the stairs and I'm out of breath, man. When you import the postcode into Gacha Life 2, you'll have to separate some parts like the hair and accessories. This is what it should look like afterwards. When screenshotting the separated parts, make sure to put it onto a grey background. Don't put it onto a white background, don't put it onto a grey one, not a blue one, not a pink one, not a yellow one, nada. Nice and grey. Now onto Ibispaintx. Onto Ibispaintx, you should import your base thing. We're just going to be using that one picture as a base. Now in this tutorial, we're going to be using a lot of folders and renaming layers. This is to make sure that you know how to navigate it, and overall it's just a lot easier. So first things first, we're going to be separating the folders into 2. We're going to be doing the body, then we're going to be doing the head. After that, we'll be separating the folders into the 5 categories I mentioned before. To make sure all the body parts are accurately placed, put the base layer opacity down. When separating and placing the body parts, please, I beg of you, please name the layers. Trust me, it will be such a big help to navigate through the layers. You'll waste a lot less time. Does that make sense? A lot less time. it sounds weird to put a lot and then a less in the same sentence. Anyways. Great, now we fully separated the body. That is done. I'm ready to go. Simple, wasn't it? So I may or may not have lost all the files of doing the face and the head, so we're going to ignore that, and instead I'm going to be showing you some images, nice, quick and simple and sweet, on how you should separate the face layers and how you should name them. Great! I hope you guys enjoyed that super cool speed paint and step-by-step detailed instructions on how to separate the face. Now we're going to do the hair. Don't mind the fact that I just did some off-screen mining for the editing. So here we go, here's how we separate the hair. I'm doing it in a way that's extremely detailed when you tween it, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little detailed one. I haven't seen anyone else do it, and so yeah, I hope you guys like it. After everything, you should have your body sheet separated into 5 categories: the head, the face, the hair, upper body and lower body. And that's it for today's tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy this. If you have any suggestions on any videos you'd like to see, put it in the comments and I'll do my best to get to you. Okay, love you guys, bye!